Okay, Rail Fanning Adventure, Super Bowl Sunday, February 7th, 2021. And 7338 is coming east right now with what looks to be grain. Bulk load of grain or concrete or anything else they can put in cylinders on this snowy Sunday here in Lincoln, Nebraska. I am on the eastern end of Hobson Yard, recording anything and everything that goes by for all of our members of Rail Fanning Adventures. Yep, this train's heading east, not going south down the St. Joe sub. We have an eastbound, probably fillings, it might be concrete. Concrete, powder, plastic pellets, I don't know. Whatever they put in these little mini cylinders. They look empty though, because the springs are not compressed on the truck, so I think it's just an empty bulk train of some sort. Passing me by here on the eastern side of Hobson Yard on the BNSF transcon line. Rail Fanning Adventures. Rail Fanning for those who can't. Changing the world one smile at a time. And here comes another train right behind this train. It's like that here. Sometimes you get 4 trains in a row, or 4 trains going, you know, 2 in each direction. That's just how it is here on their transcon line. You never know what you're going to see for power either. 70 max, 80 max, foreign power, heritage units. More bonnets, blue bonnets, you name it. You'll see it here in Hobson Yard. Switchers. Alright, so we're gonna pan to the end of this bulk load and catch the loaded coal drag coming east right now. I believe this is probably going to go down the St. Joe sub. Pretty sure of it. Let's put this window up. This window got the snow and wind blowing right through me here. That looks like a different kind of engine. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know enough about the engines. I know steam. I don't know enough about diesels, but I know that's a different engine right there. It doesn't have the big, what do you call it? The, God, I hate having a TBI. Those big fans in the back, the bump out for the fan in the back. See it there? It looks like it almost looks like that tunnel motor that somebody showed me one time. 9752 is the number. The radiators for the, what is it called? The dynamic brake system. It's an SD70 Mac. There you go, Joe Kemp. BNSF still running 70 Macs. And I don't know what the second unit is. Might be an 80 Mac, actually. This is now heading south with its loaded coal. That's gonna make Joe Kemp's day. He loves 70 Macs. That's, I think, his favorite engine, if I remember correctly. He likes 70 Macs. And that was definitely a 70 Mac leading that train. I do miss seeing the Conrail coal hopper, coal porters I used to see on NS back home, back east. But I do see a lot of cool stuff out here. Freaking knee. Oh, don't ever hurt your knees, ladies and gentlemen. You need them. Let me tell you something. When you do hurt them, they hurt. Put me over the edge, this knee. Alright, I am going to temporarily scoot the camera over here. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. In an effort to bring you a better picture quality, I had to temporarily put you in front of the smudge on my thing. Clean up this windshield a little bit for you. I hope it worked. I have these windshield wipes that seem to do the job. It is still snowing here in Nebraska. Pretty regular occurrence the last couple of days. And the temperature went up from 1 to 6, but it's negative outside. Okay, and there's another train behind this coming. So we had the eastbound bulk something, and now we have this lovely southbound coal drag going down the St. Joe stub, the beginning of the St. Joe sub. I'll tell you why I know that. Because I'm really not, I don't know what's going on. I know this is the transcon line here, but this tells me that right there. This is the beginning of the St. Joe sub. It heads south, I believe. Then there's another subdivision that actually crosses the diamond over it and heads southwest. And then, the tracks directly in front of you are the transcon line, their east-west route. Alright, what do we got here? Here comes our tail end power. It's an Ace 9366 and 9347, another Ace. Rail Spending Adventures. Hobson Yard. Lincoln, Nebraska. That's a cool picture. But the signal's the sign and the headlight.